Affiliates can become your most powerful growth channel or do absolutely nothing for your business. The difference? Your commission structure. If it doesn't motivate, your affiliates won't perform. So the real question is, how do you set up a commission structure that actually motivates affiliates? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to turn affiliates into real growth partners, not just passive promoters. But before we get into tactics, let's get one thing straight. If you see affiliate commissions as an expense, you've already lost the game. Stop asking, what's the least I can get away with paying? Because that mindset guarantees one thing: minimum effort every single time. But the moment you shift to, how do I make this both profitable and irresistible? Everything changes. This is why your job is to structure a commission system that aligns incentives with performance, loyalty, and long-term value creation. So, how do you actually do that? It's simpler than most people think. First, you need the right infrastructure, something that allows you to onboard affiliates, track referrals, manage payouts, and monitor performance without missing anything. If you're on WordPress, Fluent Affiliate is built exactly for this. Once that's in place, the real game begins: how you actually pay your affiliates. When you're recruiting affiliates, a one-size-fits-all commission is a mistake. For some affiliates, a standard rate works just fine. But for high-impact partners, you can increase commissions 5 to 10% to sweeten the deal. Or if you're focused on specific product margins, set a fixed dollar amount for the sale. The key is flexibility, because different affiliates bring different value. Now, here's where most programs fail. They stop at setup and never optimize performance. The goal is simple: identify what's working and scale it. In Fluent Affiliate, you're not dealing with a random list of affiliates. You can segment them into groups. Based on your business setup, create a VIP, Gold, or as many groups as you need for your top performers. Then, just hop into your top affiliates' profiles and add them to that new tier. This way, instead of treating everyone the same, you're building a performance-based ecosystem. And it's time to take this a step further. Fluent Affiliate integrates seamlessly with the tools you already use, whether that's LMS platforms, booking systems, or e-commerce. For example, in e-commerce, not all products should have the same commission. If there's a product you want affiliates to prioritize, you simply increase the commission. Let me show you how this works in practice. With Fluent Cart installed, just click Manage, and you'll see the integration is already active. Now, enable custom rates for specific products or categories, then click Add New. You have two options here. For now, let's go with the specific product. Select the product, set your commission rate, decide if it's percentage-based or a fixed amount, and done. You can repeat this for as many products as you want and save once you're done. Now, this is where things get really powerful. In Fluent Affiliate, you can pay affiliates not just once, but every time a customer renews. Enable the option, set the commission, and decide how long they earn from that subscription. Now it's completely hands-off. The system takes care of everything for you. And that's how you set up a commission structure that rewards high-performing affiliates and runs your affiliate program on autopilot. If you treat your affiliate program like a side feature, you'll get average results. But if you design it like a growth system, with Fluent Affiliate, it can become one of your most powerful revenue channels. Now, it's time to put this into action. Set up your system, start optimizing your commissions with Fluent Affiliate. And if this tutorial helped you, hit like and subscribe to WPManageNinja for regular updates. Catch you in the next one!